Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick and today I'm going to teach you how to create AI images that sell on Adobe Stock, Shutterstock or iStock. So listen to me carefully, do not miss any of these steps I'm going to show you guys. Please pay attention to what I'm saying and let's get started. So right here you can check it out straight away guys for yourself. This is step number one, of course, stockadobe.com guys. You can check it out. Whatever suits you, whatever you use guys, whatever is the best possible solution for you, select that platform. I will teach you on Adobe Stock right now, but you can also use, for example, right here Shutterstock. As I said guys, you can straight away pick your image plan. I mean, they're so direct. I mean, there is no some free trial or something. Straight away give us cash. Okay, fair enough. Shutterstock.com is here, guys. iStock is here as well. As I said, if that's your favorite platform, okay, AI generator is here implemented, so that's a great solution. Right here we can check it out, guys. Stock photos, unlock your creativity with stock images, stock videos, stock photos, and more. Why do people pay so much for it? So it's hard to find great hyper-resolution images, guys, such as this one right here, stock video footage, royalty-free templates, guys, stock photos, and so on. Also, you can check out, guys, right here, photos, vectors, videos, and so on. But what is one of the most important and one of the most interesting sections out here for you guys? Yes, you can check it out, free section. So we can press on free one, guys, and check it out right here. Unlock 200 million plus assets in our full collection. Try for free stock assets. That's right. I mean, we can check it out, guys, right here. For example, business related, backgrounds, food and everything right here. Popular free vectors, guys, are here as well. You can check them out. You can press on either one of those. Nature, I mean, this is a scary croc. So here are some videos, guys, and everything. So check it out. Let's select images on the left side, guys, and see. Take a look at this. I mean, I would put this picture, guys, on my wall, basically. And also license for free. So free section is here, but this is not a video about free section. This is just showing me to you, to beginners, guys, my gift for you guys, so you know that section is active. You can as easy just press on license for free, guys, and download it. As you can see right here, save, download it to your gallery. That's it, license for free, guys. But first thing I want to share with you guys, actually something that I want to teach you, something I want to share with you from my experience where I made mistakes. People tend to use AI. That's perfect. That will save you time, save you work, save you some money, guys, and stuff like that. But what's the problem with it? The problem is people are trying to make super realistic images with AI, guys. AI is imagination. For now, I hope. So it's still in imagination, beginning phase, developing pretty fast. We all know that, guys. But there are some serious issues with super realistic pictures. And we all know people are trying to make a picture of people who has 10 fingers, for example, because AI confused himself or something like that, guys. 2 heads, something like that, guys. And let me show you something out here. So let's take a break from learning Adobe, from learning AI and everything, guys. Right here, we can check it out, guys. Yes, you can explore it. 50 AI art fails that are both horrifying and hilarious. I highly recommend you guys to check this entire article out because, yes, it's hilarious. Where dogs race. I mean, I think the owner didn't meant to make something like this, right? Also, right here, so majestic, guys. The prompt was salmon in the river. So majestic. Yeah. No. I mean, no. I'm sorry, no. Also, I tried making something, but it came out a little rough. Oh my god, I can't look at this. Just skip it. This is really creepy. Right here, this was an attempt in Midjourney to make Midjourney we're gonna use later. Yes. Midjourney to make an image of my narrator with a cocky expression. Yeah, this is tough. Okay, I mean, what can I say? Fisherman, guys. Yeah, naturally, of course. And we can see practicing some yoga. What the? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So something that you need to focus on, guys, definitely is not making realistic pictures like this of people. Make something that people dream of, something surreal, something unrealistic, something connected to dreams, emotions, and stuff like that, guys. We can check it out. For example, go right here. We all use our Midjourney, guys, either that or right here a Leonardo AI, which is maybe my personal favorite. So right here we can check it out, type in a prompt, guys. Let's check out emotions. Let's see what we will get right here, guys. Okay, let's go. Celebrate launch. Okay, new image interface. We don't care about it, so we're just waiting right now, guys. Just a second, and it's done. Take a look at this, guys. Yes, super realistic, but I need a bit more surreal emotions during sleep. So we have right here just asleep. These are not emotions. Let me write in something like this, guys. Let's take a look at this. We want something scary, okay, to get some emotions out of people who want to purchase our stocks, guys. He needs to look at that picture and say, what is this? I mean, he needs to leave an expression in its brain, in its conscious, guys, in order to remember the picture, to go back, guys, and purchase it for you. So from you, I'm sorry. So let's check it out. Scary monster. Let's see now what will pop up. Okay, much more realistical, guys. Take a look at this. This is something that you can't make a mistake. If you make him with 3 fingers, 5 fingers, if you make him without a skin, with skin, 2 heads, something like that, it's a monster. So be real. Right here you can see, guys, it's really interesting. You can download the image, guys, and then play it with the and enjoy it. I mean, actually, you can redirect something, guys. You can maybe switch some colors or something like that. And as I said, you can list it on stock right here, Adobe Stock. So my point is, don't do anything too realistic. No one needs that, guys. There is read that. 500 million pictures. Somewhere I read it, guys. 450 million images. And vast majority of them are realistical. Swans in a lake, people sleeping, people laughing, people in school and stuff like that. Plenty of those stock images are people. I was a stock model once, guys, so I know what I'm talking about. So yes, I mean, you have an AI, and instead of using it, guys, to make something that people cannot do it with a photo, with a photography, you are trying to make the same picture more realistical than reality is. So of course, I'm gonna make much more realistic picture with my photo camera, guys, than you will with Leonardo, Midjourney, or whatever you use. You know, that's just the way it is. As for now, I'm speaking for now, 2024, okay? So what you need to do, take AI, guys, in your advantage, do something that camera can do. Camera can't find this monster anywhere. I mean, this is a monster we're talking about right here. And find me a forest where this monster is alive, and I will never go there, guys. I will definitely, I promise you that, I will never go there. So make something abstract, make something surreal, something that camera cannot catch, and definitely something that is not here between those 450 million images, all right? And then you have a head start. You have a nice head start, guys, right here. And as I mentioned, right here you can see pick your image plan, guys. You can see people paying plenty for those pictures. 10 images a month, guys, monthly, no contract right here, $4.90 per image and so on. Right here we can check it out even for Adobe. But first I do just want to show you something. You must be wondering by now, yeah, okay, I need to use AI. It's much more easier for me to make stock photos, but is that allowed here? I mean, on Adobe, you can check it out, guys. Adobe Stock accepts submissions of images, vectors, and videos developed with generative AI, expanding how customers enhance their creative projects. So you are good to go. Also, you can check it out, guys. Why does Adobe Stock accept content made with generative AI tools? Does Adobe Stock accept content made using generative AI technology or tools right here? And as well, what does Adobe Stock mean by generative AI technology? So you can check everything, guys, for yourself right here. Again, generative AI FAQ section. You can check it out, of course, for yourself. So pricing of Adobe is here, guys. We can check it out as well right here. You can explore it. Millions of images, templates, 3D assets, music, tracks, and videos. As I mentioned before, they are paying a lot for it. So yeah, this is pretty interesting right here. Huge amount of money, but we're not here for this. We're here, guys, for this section next to it. Sell. So press on it, guys, right here. Right here you can check it out once you're good to go, guys. 12 weeks trend, earnings right now, downloads right now. You can see all illustrations, photos, vectors, videos, collections, and everything. Give it a shot, guys. Check it out, available earnings and so on. This is how your account will look like. And as I said, let your imagination do what it's made for. I mean, just type it in prompt, whatever you want to do, guys, and explore it. catch it right here. I mean, post it right here on Adobe, guys. As I said, make an account, and then write down in the comment section a couple of months how did you pass. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe notification like button. Until the next time, goodbye.